welcome back to Morris Lubricants.
Cheers, boss.
Right, so I've had lots of exciting things happen since you're here
Yeah,
last, so
mate,
I want to update you on some of our manufacturing infrastructure improvements. Okay, and where we are now is our new filling hall. Okay, now you've seen our tank farm, which sits above this. Okay, so the tank farm that we had a look around feeds the filling hall, which is sitting down below it. Okay, so in here we have 5 filling lines. We're doing everything from 1s, 5s, 20s, 25s, 60s, 205s and 1,000 litre containers. Okay.
Yeah, right.
So across here, so they're all set up to do different pack sizes. So they're fed from above. All the filling's done by weight, okay, because weight is independent of temperature, okay, unlike volume. So they're all filled by weight. There's full quality control before any of these containers start to get filled, and you can see obviously a filling head behind us now going. So that would have been sampled before any of this oil goes into a container.
Before and after your pigging system, all the sampling's done.
Exactly. So whatever's coming out of that nozzle is sampled just before it goes in the container and it's sealed for the customer. So quality control still remains king, despite how busy it is. Obviously it's quite noisy, okay, because we are busy, which is great. So all of it's automated. So automated weights in there. So the weights are issued for each product. So it's fully automated in terms of weighing. So that goes in. Then of course we have to we batch number everything. So everything's got a batch number on it going down these lines. Every individual container. Absolutely, that one's getting labelled at the moment. So then they get labelled, okay, whether it's a single label or whether it's multiple labels back and front for retail packs. So they're done on this line as well, all automatically. They're all capped automatically. And down the bottom, we have that final inspection. So the retail packs particularly, you know, the 5s, 4s even, and the 1s, which go into a retail environment, they have that final inspection. But they're all inspected to make sure they're all clean and they're perfect for the customer when they take receipt of it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No knocks, no dings.
No dings. No oil running down.
The labels on straight.
Yeah. All the seals are in place. They're all pilfer-proofed as well, so they can't be pilfer-proofed. Okay. They can't be tampered with, because some of these products will be going into export markets. And we've had to take a lot of care in the packaging, so counterfeiting can be a problem in certain countries. So,
do you have people trying to counterfeit? Morris?
Yeah, right? Absolutely, yeah. So we have to make sure that once these are opened, they can't be filled again and resealed again, because obviously people will try and achieve that. So I think another thing worth mentioning, Guy, while we're here, is the packaging materials. So we obviously, you can see behind us, we've got tin plate steel at the back, okay? So steel is still very recyclable. So we try and maintain steel wherever we can. We're part of our sustainability policy. Even our plastic retail packs now have got 35% recycled material in them.
Right, is that right?
So it's not 100% new anymore. We're putting 35% recycled material into our plastic retail packs. And obviously, you know, we review our sustainability policy on a regular basis to see how that could be improved further as well. But where we can, we stay with steel because it's easily recyclable. But where we have to go to the plastic option, we're looking at 35% recycled material included. So this new filling hall is basically designed in a way that we can be more efficient, because the number of products coming through now is crazy in terms of different types. Just to give an example, we've got over 30 passenger car engine oils now on our range.
Okay. 30 different types of oil.
Yeah. We've got over 20 heavy-duty diesel engine oils on the range.
So 30 varieties of car engine oil. And then 20 versions of
heavy-duty diesel, yeah. So that's a lot of complexity getting built in. So we have to be as efficient as we possibly can be in here. So the whole system, the automated system we have, we talked about the pigging system. All this is computer controlled. There's 300 computer control valves above us doing lots of different work. The oil is fed by gravity from the tanks above into header tanks, which are then pressure fed to the filling heads. And that makes sure that we've got a decent speed of filling to get batches of material down here as quickly as we can do. So we're as efficient as possible. And it doesn't stop. Literally, as these tanks are emptied above us, then we're putting more product into them. The 30 tanks above us, they can be switched around, okay? Because obviously we've got a lot of products. There's 30 tanks, but I've already mentioned we've got 50 different products of engine oil. Yeah. That's without the gear oils, the transmission oils, the agricultural products. You name it, on top of that.
You're range to 50 varieties of different engine oil, And then how many tanks have we got?
So we've got 30 above us.
30 tanks.
But it's a flexible system, so we can obviously empty, clean, and then we can put a different product in there. So everything can be controlled, as I say, by computer, okay? But everything can be moved around, is very flexible as well. And it's all about, you know, the environment's a nice, clean environment. It has to be, you know, we take a lot of pride in what we do. And this is probably going out to customers who want to rely on the quality, not only of the packaging and how it looks, but what's inside the packaging as well.
What matters really is what's inside the
oil
container.
inside it, yeah. So care is taken right down to the last moment. So these will now obviously be palletized, shrink wrapped, moved into storage, into our distribution centre, where it'll go from around the UK, or it may go around the world, just depending.
Yep.
But we'll see that later.
Fair play.
So yeah, so a lot going on in here. Now, I've got a feeling, Guy, you may like to fill a few of these.
I wouldn't mind.
Would you like to crack on and have a go?
Yeah, have a look.
Brilliant.
Please. Yeah.
Okay. So if you'd like to see any more content like this, please visit the Morris Lubricants website or our YouTube channel.